Hi, my name's Juliet and today I'm talking about section types in Scrivener 3 for Windows. If you're intending to compile any documents soon, you'll need to know this one. Section types sets what part of a project each individual document and folder is. So for example, you might have a folder that's just the title, with no other text within it, and then have scenes, individual text files, within that folder. Compile is constructed on what these section types are. To assign section types, go into the inspector and choose the metadata icon. There you'll see the section type pull-down menu. What you see in this is dependent on which template you've chosen. This is novel format. To select a specific type for the document file that you're within, just tick the little box. If you need a new section type, for example, if you have inserts that you want to have a specific format in your document, this would probably be more common in non-fiction, but I'm pretending I have inserts that are oldie-worldy documents. Just select Edit from the pull-down menu and click on the plus symbol. Give it a name and apply it to your section. If you click on the Default Levels tab in the little pop-up window, you'll see the levels that are automatically assigned to different parts of the hierarchy. This window can be confusing, especially as it includes things that you might not actually be including in your compile, and it might not comply with the structure that you actually want. This might be useful if you were bringing in a document that you created previously, and you could then assign the section types to blocks, but if anything didn't comply, go back to that individual document or folder and then apply manually the actual section type that you want. That will override the hierarchical setting. As best practice with a new document, I'd say it's probably better to assign section types individually as you go along, just to make sure that your document comes out how you want it. I'll be doing an initial overview of Compile in a day or two. If you've subscribed, I'll see you there.